when I work with mentors who are Gen Xers, I'll put in front of them this statement: a mentoring business for, and fill in the blank. And what I thought I would do is just play a little bit today, because what I'm sharing with you is helpful to those of you who are starting a mentoring business. You're Gen Xer, you're in that 55-ish area of your life, and you're considering starting a business. And I'm putting before you the starting a mentoring business. So I thought I'd have a little bit of fun, because I'm going to suggest that we look at starting a mentoring business for introverts. And I share this with you is because some of you are introverts like myself. Now you may go, hang on a minute. Yes, I'm an introvert. At the end of the day, I enjoy being able to come back and being in quiet time, reading or watching some videos, and being able to sort of reflect on what took place over the course of the day. So I don't have to be out all the time in my extrovertedness, yet I can go there if I need to. So I'm reaching out to those of you who are understanding what I'm sharing with you at the moment. And what I'm asking you to do is actually stand and walk with me as you take a look at this statement about starting a mentoring business for introverts. Because I wanted to make a point here for you that would help you in the beginning of your marketing to selling to closing story, of which I'll share another video very soon about the combination of those three words as they affect your mentoring business. You have this calling inside about, and I want to enjoy sharing what I know and do more of what I enjoy doing. That's one of the main reasons for getting into this business, is that you enjoy what you do and do what you enjoy. Yes, making the money, being able to share your thoughts through books. These are other reasons, but I think there is a calling. So I've written some notes here, and I just want to have a little bit of play time with you. So let's take a look at a mentoring business for introverts. So what could happen with this title is to manage a mentoring business for introverts. So you could set up a mentoring business and your avatar or your customer client are introverts. Great, that's a start. How about manage a mentoring business by an introvert? Hello, that's me. I'm starting a mentoring business. I've started, I'm in process, I'm moving forward with a mentoring business, and I'm an introvert. So I have to take that into consideration. So I'm just going to personalize it now. You do it the way that you would like to. I might use the next statement: manage a mentoring business by an introvert for introverts. Just playing a little bit here. But what it does is it gives more of a sense of the steps that I'm taking and walking out, being for the world. Here's the next one I would share. Manage a mentoring business by an introvert for introverts who are 50 to 55 years young. Yes, calling out to the Gen Xers. But you could use this if someone is 20 or 15 or 82. You could rework this statement and put the years young in there. Then you could go with manage a mentoring business by an introvert for introverts who are 50 to 55 years young, wanting to get paid for what they know and do. Hello again, reaching out to you. It's a statement for you to get you involved with what it is that I'm talking about. And it gives a little bit more depth into who I'm looking to interact with, to work with. Then let's take a look at this statement. Manage a mentoring business by an introvert for introverts who are 50 to 55 years young, wanting to get paid for what they know and do for the next 25 years. So now there's a timeline that goes with that. And so I could continue to add elements here, and I might add doing it from a part-time perspective rather than a full-time perspective, or doing it from a full-time perspective. and doing it from a digital nomad perspective. I consider myself a great digital nomad, is that I have the freedom to go wherever I want, having sold my home and taken up this lifestyle. I think it's about 7 years now, and I stay in Airbnbs. I house sit, cast sit, dog sit. I've actually been an internal security system for a house that was up for sale. Didn't think I'd ever add that to my resume of things that I've done, but hey, I'm an alarm system now. So this is a way for you to unpack, unearth the steps that you might be taking if you're using this statement, I'm entering business for. And that's what I would encourage you to do in starting your mentoring business. Use a statement like this and play with it. Let me just go back to the statement. I can take a piece out now that you're understanding where I'm coming from, is to manage a mentoring business for introverts. I can take out by an introvert because I know that this is for me, for others. But I placed it in there at the very beginning just to give myself an opportunity to stand in this statement, to unfold this statement with those that I would like to work with. Once you've written this statement, I would encourage you to add this kind of phrase, on my terms. Let me give you the example. Manage a mentoring business for introverts who are 50 to 55 years young, wanting to get paid for what they know and do for the next 25 years on a full-time basis on my terms. That phrasing accomplishes a couple of things. One, it's a commitment statement that you are voicing. It's a promise that you're going to keep to yourself in being for the world, working through a mentoring business, supporting introverts with the characteristics that are listed. That is a commitment. That's where you are going with your business. And the second thing is, it's a statement that goes out, it ripples out. The energy of that statement ripples out into the world. And when you share it in other places, whether it's through marketing copy or having a conversation with someone, it is a reassurance that you are on a path that makes sense for you. And the wonderful feed forward that you get is that when a person listens to you, you can watch what they feel and listen to what they say to confirm the path that you've taken. That's a gift. And I encourage you to write this kind of statement about starting your business. And if you're into your business, still write this and use it to share with others your thinking and feeling about your business. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notification. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.